Our topic for today is exterior angle of a triangle and its property. That is, first of all, we will learn about exterior angle of a triangle, and then we will be learning about a special property of this exterior angle which helps us to solve some unknown angles in a triangle. Okay, so first of all, we will be discussing the exterior angle of a triangle. Suppose that I take a triangle, say PQR. Now, if I extend any of the three sides of this triangle, like suppose here I extend this side QR, then I will be getting an exterior angle. This angle is the exterior angle of this triangle PQR. I can uh, I can take a point here, say M. So this angle PRM is the exterior angle, and along with this exterior angle, the triangle already has three interior angles. These three: angle P, angle Q, and interior angle R. At point R, at vertex R, you can see two angles. This one is the interior angle, and the other angle, angle number 2 here, is the exterior angle. Next, let us see how we can identify a given angle as exterior angle. Here in this triangle, I have taken a triangle ABC. At point C, you can very clearly see three angles: angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. Now, angle 3 is clearly an interior angle. So, we have to check which of these two angles, angle 1 and angle 2, which of these two is the proper exterior angle. For this, there are two hints. First is, an exterior angle is made between extension of a side and original side. This is one of the two hints. An exterior angle is formed between an extension of a side and one original side. Here you can see angle 1 is made between original side AC and extension of side BC, that is CD. CD is extension of side BC and AC is the original side. Angle 1 is made between these two sides, so angle 1 will be called the exterior angle among these two angles. Second hint is, interior angle at the same vertex and exterior angle make a linear pair. These two angles together will make a linear pair. That is the exterior angle and the interior angle. Here you can see angle 1 and angle 3. Together they are making a straight line, this line BD. So clearly 1 will be the exterior angle. Okay, next let us discuss about the exterior angle property of a triangle. Here I have taken a triangle ABC and I have extended its one side BC. Because of this extension, I get an exterior angle here, say A. Now for this A, the angle inside triangle ABC, that is angle C, interior angle C, is making a linear pair with A. The other two angles, the other two interior angles, say Y and Z, these two angles will be called the interior opposite angles. They are interior and they are opposite to the vertex where angle A is made, where the exterior angle is made. Now, for such a triangle, this angle A, that is the exterior angle, will be equal to sum of interior opposite angles. A is equal to Y plus Z. This property is known as exterior angle property. Exercise 6.2, question number 1, part 1. The first part of the very first question in this exercise. We have to find the value of this exterior angle X in this. So by exterior angle property, we can write X is equal to, this angle X will be equal to sum of these two angles. These two are the interior opposite angles. So X will be written as X is equal to 50 degree plus 7 degree. So here value of X comes out to be 120 degree. In the second part, we have X as exterior angle and 65 degree and 45 degree are the opposite interior angles. By exterior angle property, here it is important to mention the property which we are using to solve. By exterior angle property, X will be equal to 65 degree plus 45 degree, which comes out to be 110 degree. In the same way, for third part, the exterior angle X can be found by adding these two angles, the interior opposite angles 30 degree and 40 degree. So by exterior angle property, we will be writing X is equal to 30 degree plus 40 degree. So the unknown angle X here is 70 degree. Exercise 6.2, question number 2. Again, we will be using the exterior angle property to find the unknown angle X. The difference between the first question and second question is the unknown angles here in the second question are given as interior angle, but the property which we will be using will remain the same, that is the exterior angle property. Here first part, 115 degree will be written as X plus 50 degree by using the same property, which is exterior angle property. So now this becomes a simple equation which can be solved as X is equal to 115 degree minus 50 degree So your answer will be 65 degrees. For second part, x plus 70 degree is equal to 100 degree. Again by exterior angle property. So x can be solved by subtracting 70 degrees from 100 degrees. So your answer will be 30 degree here. And in the same way we can solve its third part. In the third part we have this angle x and this angle 90 degree. The sum of these two angles will be equal to the exterior angle, which is 125 degrees. So here x will be 125 degree minus 90 degree. So your answer is 35 degree here.